In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a survey on Monday.com. Monday.com is an incredibly versatile work operating system, and creating surveys directly within your boards can significantly streamline data collection, feedback gathering, and even lead qualification processes. By integrating your surveys here, responses automatically populate your board, saving you time and preventing manual data entry errors. The first step is to open a board where you'd like your survey responses to appear. Think of a board as your central hub for a project, a client, or a specific task. If you already have a project or client board where you want to collect information, simply navigate to it. If not, you can easily create a new board from scratch. This is where all the valuable data collected from your survey will be organized and displayed for your team. Once you have your desired board open, look towards the top of the screen. You'll see an option to Add View. Click on this button. Adding different views allows you to visualize and interact with your board's data in various ways. From the options that appear, select Form. This action transforms your board's columns into a questionnaire format, ready for customization. It's essentially telling Monday.com, I want to collect information using a form that maps directly to my existing board structure. After selecting the form view, you'll see a basic form automatically generated, usually displaying your board's existing columns as potential survey questions. Now, you'll need to click on Edit Form. This button typically appears prominently within the new form view. Clicking Edit Form takes you into the dedicated builder where you can truly design your survey to meet your specific needs. This is where the magic happens, allowing you full control over the user experience. Now that you're in the edit mode, it's time to make edits and customize your survey. This is the most crucial part of the process. You can start by adding new questions, which correspond to new columns on your board. For example, you might add text fields for open-ended feedback, multiple choice questions for specific selections, rating scales for satisfaction levels, or even date pickers for scheduling. You can reorder questions by simply dragging and dropping them, ensuring a logical flow for your respondents. Remember to edit the placeholder question text to be clear and concise. You can also add a welcome message to greet participants and a thank you message for when they complete the survey. Don't forget to mark certain questions as required if the information is essential. You can also brand your form with your company logo and colors for a professional touch. Take your time here to ensure your survey captures all the necessary information effectively. Once you are satisfied with the design and content of your survey, the final step is to click on Create a Workform. This button essentially publishes your survey, making it live and ready to be shared. After clicking it, Monday.com will provide you with a unique shareable link. You can then distribute this link via email, social media, or embed it on your website. Anyone with the link can access and fill out your survey. The best part is that every response will automatically populate a new item on your Monday.com board, with each answer mapped directly to the corresponding column. This creates a seamless workflow, allowing you to easily track, manage, and analyze all your survey data in one central location.